We have Mr. Rahul Sharma with us, international drone expert who has worked for different applications of drones like defense sector, medical sector, agriculture sector, and entertainment technology. So Rahul sir is with us and he has taken an awareness session with the students. तो सर कैसा लगा आपको, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
Beautiful. Always good to meet students. They are incredible, intelligent. I am very impressed with 2 or 3 projects they are working on. I would love to see them complete. The brains are incredible over here.
How do you see what is the talent or what is the capability level of our student?
The capability of the student is quite impressive. They are very modern. They are utilizing one of the top 3D printer like I saw. It is a benchmark in the industry of 3D printing and they know how to use it. So they are quite intelligent. They are making a wonderful products out of it. Not only into it, I saw one electromagnetic lock working with the RFID. Not only that, it has their own code written by the students, which is impressive. They have made one humanoid hand. I saw the manual working of it, phenomenal, and I'm sure they're gonna succeed in making their bot working and talking to me next time. Beautiful.
तो अगर स्टूडेंट्स को ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी में जो नए स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको अगर स्टार्ट करना हो तो व्हाट आर द बेसिक स्टेप्स दे शुड टेक?
I think because they belong to mechanical engineering and IT,
Yeah.
so all of them can team up, build a frame. They know very well about the motors, components like gyros, compass, GPS, which all helps a drone to fly or make as a flight controller. All students knows it very well and their team together is gonna build something impressive. The output will be beautiful. They are intelligent.
In the field of drone, what are the emerging application areas for which they should try?
I personally think, like I've already said, air taxi.
Air taxi.
It can help and it can elevate every common man's life. It can save so much time, so much effort, and things can go on time. It is pollution free, noise free, and another application is a medical organ transplant between the 2 hospitals, because with this technology we can guarantee the time frame from one place to another. And the third is clean. They can clean the building, they can inspect the towers, electrical towers, which can save a lot of human lives, and it can be automated. There's a big potential in it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time and awareness.